Hi, so today I'm gonna review Tropica System Nano CO2. I would recommend CO2 system to anyone that wants to improve the quality of his tank, especially the health of the plants in a natural aquarium. Tropica CO2 Nano comes with the full system. The CO2 dedicated regulator. By adjusting the valve, you will decide the volume of bubbles you will add into the tank. The 3-in-1 diffuser allows you to count the bubbles you want into your aquarium. I recommend to open it and immerse it in the tank before applying it to the wall. I've been using this system for already a year and I'm quite satisfied with the results, and I might say that for a small aquarium it might work for 1 month now. So let me show you on my tanks how the system looks like. I usually hang it on the top of the tank, and overall the system is great because it's very clear. Always check your regulator. It will help you to understand how long it's going to last your cutting. I always set my CO2 bubble diffuser on the opposite side of the water column. This way the CO2 spreads evenly inside the tank. So thanks for watching, and hit the subscribe button if you want to see more of our videos.